Hari ini kita nak buat kek sarang semut. Bahan-bahannya ialah telur, susu pekat, esel vanila, tepung gandum, soda bikarbonat. Mula kita tuang telur. Kita. Oh my god! Lepas tu tuang susu pekat. 这是我的包。Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow! Itu semut. Susunya. Just very yummy. Mama, you want to eat this? Ini esel vanila. Kacang telur tu slowly je. Masukkan tepung gandum. Okay, no, you mix it up. Sorry. Why are so many? So many. I can see the total. Look at that. They're so very cool. Soda bikarbonat. I don't like this. I don't like it. Look at this. Kakak tahu. Pegang kerusi. I cannot see the sugar. Where's the tolo? Mommy, where's the tolo? I want. Okay, I'm done already. Masukkan gula hangus. Oh my god. Oh no! Put it in the lap, please. Put it in the lap. Put it in the lap. This is empty. Oh my! There's so many. I can see on the down here have this. It's going down. Oh, it was just my spoon. My spoon. Oh my god! Turn around, hurry up. I can see your spoon. I can see you move the spoon. What's that? I'm trying to find the tolo. Like the tolo. Do it. Berat kemudian kita bakar. Yang ni yang keknya kakak dan adik buat. Kek sarang semut. Panas. Sedapnya.